Hey there, I'm Lindsay, creator of Mrs. Project, where we talk schedules and project management. Today's topic is
DCMA 14-point schedule assessment.
So what is the 14-point assessment? So first off, it was created by DCMA, which is Defense Contract Management Agency. The assessment was created in 2005 and has been adapted by the aerospace and defense industries. It has become a guideline for schedule reviews. It's not standards and it's not rules that we have to follow, because there's definitely some best practices that are not included in the 14-point. It's intended to indicate potential problems in your schedule. It ensures that the project is managed towards success.
Now, in order to indicate those potential problems and manage towards success, you have to have a tool that can help you manage. So the whole point and purpose of the DCMA 14-point is to validate that you do have a tool that you can use to manage your projects. Each point is a metric of its own, measuring different parameters for different purposes. So here is a list of what the 14-point are, and we're going to dive into each one individually. So each one of the metrics is looking at different parameters, but there is a baseline to it all. So you're measuring these metrics at the lowest level of these discrete tasks. So it has to be measurable work, which means you're not going to be including summary tasks, nor are you going to be including milestone tasks. Then there's going to be some metrics that are only looking at completed tasks, and those are ones that definitely have 100% in the percent complete column, but you can also look at it by using the actual finish column and anything that says or does not say NA. It has to have a date in there. Then there's going to be some metrics that actually look at tasks that are in progress, so not complete. So then you'll filter out all the ones that have 100%, or you'll look at your actual finish column, and anything that has NA is what you'll be performing it on.